Hello, we're the Coding Panthers, and my name is Song Lee. And my task for this project 3 was to manage the GitHub to-do list, and task 3 and task 4 individually for each of us, which will be parallel computing and ARM assembly programming.
My name is Thanua Varnani. I'm the coordinator for this project, and I worked on the ARM assembly and parallel programming tasks and the report.
Hi, my name is Michael Merritt. I was assigned to the parallel programming in task 3 and also the foundations in task 3 and the ARM assembly, and I also did the video editing as well.
I'm Kayla Haynes, and I did task 3, and I also worked on the parallel programming and the ARM assembly program.
Hi, I'm Don Kim. I was on the task 3 and 4.
In this project, I learned how to code ARM assembly using Raspberry Pi with hexadecimal digits, and I also learned more about parallel programming in depth.
In this project, I learned more about parallel programming and serial computing, and I also learned about Flynn's classical taxonomy.
In this project, I learned about the different parallel computing memory architectures and also Flynn's taxonomy and how it distinguishes between multiprocessors and how it classifies them.
I learned about Flynn's taxonomy and single and multiple instruction streams and data streams, and I also learned about how to use loops in parallel programming.
In this project, I learned parallel programming and the computers, and I learned how to use Progma.
Since I have learned more technical skills in assembly programming in this project, I think I can use this skills to improve my programs like coding in the future class or like in other team projects in the future.
This is the first time I was a coordinator for any project that I did, and a skill that I learned is leadership, and leadership is an important skill to have in future classes and in future jobs as well. So I believe I would use the soft skills I learned in those places.
I feel like understanding how parallel computing architecture works is a great skill I've learned. Also, it'll help me grasp my programs better, and it'll help me make my programs more efficient later on in my future classes and jobs.
What I learned about loops and parallel programming will be useful because I'll have to use that a lot.
What I learned in this project was using ARM assembly with loading words. So I think I'm gonna use that a lot more in like future projects. So and how to code parallel programming.
The most challenging part in this project was understanding parallel programming, and I spent a lot of time to understand the concepts and other technical.
The most challenging experience for me was the ARM assembly code. It was really hard for me to figure out how that works, but once I talked to my teammates, it was easier for me to understand. And the best part was being a leader for this project, because I've never done that before, and I learned a lot of new skills.
The best part for me was learning about the different parallel computing architectures for memory and multiprocessor.
My favorite part was learning how to use the loops in parallel programming.
My best moment was I got better on like coding and using ARM assembly, so that was great.